Hey, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Welcome to another Jacine review. If you are new here, thank you for tuning in. If you are not, welcome back. My name is Jacine, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing another hotel review. I went down to Negril for a weekend and spent 3 nights. I spent 2 at the Rio Tropical Bay, and I already gave you a review of that, and now I'm gonna give you a review of the Skylark Hotel, which is a cute little quaint boutique hotel that's located on the 7-mile stretch of beach in Negril. So if you're interested in seeing that, please do stay tuned. But before we get into the review, I would like to ask you, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to know when I upload new videos, then hit the bell notification button, which is also located somewhere on the right hand side of your screen. Like this video if you like it, comment, and tell me what's your favorite place to stay when you go down to Negril in Jamaica. And share this video with your friends or with people who you think might be interested in this type of content. So without further ado, let's go back to Negril. Let's go check out Skylark. It's a cute little boutique hotel, and I really liked it, and I hope that you like it too. Look at these tents, they're so adorable. When I went to country, I saw this on one of my walks, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to come back and stay here. So I'm doing that now, and I'm sharing it with you guys. Just beautiful. I hear that this Lily's restaurant is famous. It's very popular, so I am really looking forward to trying what they have to offer here. The food, the drinks, whatever the specialty is, I'm all the way here for it.
The Skylark boutique. It's a little bit above a gift shop. So we boast some premium Jamaican brands like Galavan. These are fashion jewelry. None of them is real gold or silver, but it's a Jamaican brand that we've been carrying at the Rock House for years. Skylark is the sister property of Rock House.
Oh yeah?
Right.
Okay. I hear that we have access to the Rock House pool from here, seeing that there's no pool on the property.
You can be shuttled down, because we have a shuttle that move from the Skylark to Rock House at 11 and return here back at 3. So it's a good little move between properties.
Okay.
So you get a chance to experience both the cliffside and the thing, and
The
you know,
7 Mile Beach. Yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
Yeah.
So for this jewelry, this is sterling silver. This was made, well, it is made by a company called Siwato. It's they have discontinued the line for now.
Right.
You know, it's a husband and a wife. I don't know what they're doing, if they're just taking a long vacation. But I hope they come back into business. So it's handmade and it's Jamaican made. They're from Mandingo.
Okay, so this is a different brand, from these ones over here.
So these are Galavan.
Oh, cool.
This is Siwato.
Okay, and then tell me about your other brands.
Alright, so we have the nurse signs. This is we are nurse always.
It's Lily's at the restaurant.
Yes, man. So we have the nurse signs. So it's a big lineup. He's a local artist. He's living in Negril. His shop is at the bus park in Negril.
Oh.
He also do work with the Rock House Foundation as a coach on the Edis Sports program. We have a line of shirts that he designed.
Oh, where do you have that? Let me see your point. Oh, over here.
Yeah.
And the same shirt that we need fold for me?
Yeah, some of the shirts there. So we have the Skylark. This is his design, his handwriting. So this is his design.
This shirt that you're wearing is his too?
No, this is one.
Oh, this one. Look at this one.
Yeah, that.
Cool, look at you.
Yeah, man.
I like it. It's a vibe.
It is a vibe. So, you know, we support, as I said, we support local Jamaicans. And we also have some, you know, local books, local artists. This is In the Morning by my good friend Sheldon Shepherd.
Oh.
You know, the Dan Shepherd.
And you have some bathing suits and other products over here.
Let's go to the swimsuit that you were asking about. So this bikini line is J Jolly. It's another premium
another
Jamaican.
local brand.
Premium.
I love how you carry things local in here.
Premium local brand.
Alright guys, so I'm at the entrance of the room, and as you enter, you go into this little space here that has the ironing board. There's a safe for your items. I'm happy to see these little laundry bags because sometimes especially here when we have our abandoned plastics in Jamaica, it's a little challenging to find bags for our wet clothes. I'm in the mirror there. Yeah, we have the hangers for, you know, putting up your clothes, the rack for your suitcase, and then there is this cute little mini bar. Of course, these items are at a cost, but I like the selection of options. This is kind of cute. We'll probably be getting some of that later on. There's also a mini fridge right here, and it's fully stocked at a cost, of course. But yes, that's what the room looks like. Well, this area looks like. This is the menu card with the prices for these items. Not terrible. All prices are quoted in US dollars though. But yeah, there are options. This is interesting. Oh, coconut chocolate. Oh, I'm intrigued by this. I'm gonna have to try this. I love everything coconut, so I'm about to try this. All right, so off here now to this side is the bathroom. It's cute, different. Again, I am right there in the mirror. It's a shower, a single shower, and yeah, you get your toiletry items. This soap is from Starfish Oils Jamaica. It's lavender soap. You get aloe gel, shampoo, and the conditioner. So yeah, that's the bathroom. The decor in this room is really cute and quaint. I really love this 4-poster bed. Oh, look at that. Yes, my bag is here. I'm staying in the room, of course. And there are 2 nightstands, a section for luggage here, a cute little desk in case you might be traveling for work or whatever. So yeah, there's a laptop on here and everything. And then we have a nice little balcony area outside. So we can come out here and have drinks if we want or whatever. And we don't have a beach view in this room, but it's a nice view of the property. Maybe if you look far enough down there, you can see the ocean, but yeah, not really. Yeah, so that's it for the room, guys. It's really cute, quaint, and I quite like it. guys, so it's time for me to give you my review of Skylark. I really enjoyed my stay at this hotel. The room was it was really well thought out. I liked the 4-poster bed. In fact, no, I'm gonna make one like that for myself now after seeing it, and I think my friends also want to go and make one too. The room was just really cute. It's adorable, that little hotel, and the staff was pretty friendly. The property was just nice and warm and welcoming, and of course being on the 7 Mile beach just made it even better. I showed you those little tents that they had on the beach for you to lay out in the sun if you want, or not in the sun, whatever you choose, because I mean it was just so cute. Because when I went to country, I actually went for a walk up the beach and saw these tents, or these, I don't know what to call them, but they're just so cute, they're so adorable, and I'm like, you know, some really want to stay at a place here. But at the time I didn't know it was Skylark, and it just so happened that we ended up at Skylark this time, and I'm telling you that was something that made it even more fun and interesting for me to stay there. I watched the sunset and we had a really good time on the beach. The food was good. Lily's restaurant is known for its food. The breakfast, the coconut pancakes, they were delightful. I had some ackee and saltfish and festival on the first day for lunch. That was a little underwhelming, meh. But the dinner that we had in the night, I had the salmon. That was so good. That was really good. So the food there is really good. They have a cute little boutique which you saw highlighted. So if you go there, make sure you go and get some jewelry or get a book, whatever it is that you want from the boutique, a bathing suit or some clothes, whatever, souvenirs. It's a really good spot. In terms of check-in time, I think is 3. And when we got there, it was before the check-in time and our rooms weren't ready, but the staff was still friendly and helpful, and we just went and had lunch in the meantime until the room was ready, and then we sat around in the lobby and waited. But you know, that may be a little thing that needs to be adjusted. We were tired, we were ready to just go chill in our room, and you know, it wasn't quite ready when we were ready. The rate that we paid was $100 per night plus taxes and fees, which end up roughly being just over 18,000 Jamaican dollars, and that rate is for double occupancy in the room. My other friends who came down, they had booked the room online, and so they didn't get the chance to benefit from the local rate. So if you are Jamaican, you might want to call them instead of making the booking online so that you can get that special rate for the room. In terms of the service and the general hotel itself, I had a good time. The food was good, the staff was great, the ambience was great. I highly recommend going to Skylark. Make sure you go and take a picture by the sound system. I forget what that is called, but I had to go and take a picture down there in my cute little coral bathing suit. You remember that bathing suit from my fashion haul? If you haven't seen my summer haul, go ahead and check out that video because it's fun, and it's cute. The cute little bathing suit I'm talking about is in that video, so go ahead and check that out. And you know, I have to say that I really enjoy going to boutique hotels and, you know, those kinds of hotels that may not necessarily be all-inclusive, that give you that kind of personal touch. So Rio experience, that was a good experience, and it's different from going to a smaller hotel like the Skylark Hotel in Negril or the Country, which is the one that I reviewed previously. If you haven't seen that review, go ahead and check it out as well. But yeah, if I were to give a rating out of 10 for Skylark, I would have to say maybe a 9. Yeah, man, it's worth going. To be honest, I would probably prefer going to Skylark over Rio if I was forced to make a choice. If say I'm going back to Negril next weekend, if I had to choose country, Skylark or Rio, I would choose Skylark or country over going to the all-inclusive. But that's just me. It's probably just my personality. I prefer, you know, the personal touch that you get when you go to these kinds of cute little quaint hotels. So that's it for my review, guys. I would say check out Skylark. I highly recommend it. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's the red button down below. Come on, guys, hit it. Help my channel to grow. If you want to know when I upload new videos, then hit that notification bell. Like, comment, and share with your friends. Tell me what's your favorite place to go when you go to Negril. Follow me on my socials. It's at Jacine D on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Guys, I know you could be anywhere else, but you are here watching my video, and I am truly grateful for that. I love you guys so much. Cheers. Bye.